Okay, so guys, welcome to the training section from Rewak Osho Education Institute in association with Capital Group of Companies for Advanced Electrical Engineering Training Program. So before going to the class, let me explain about the company, Rewak Osho Education Institute. Rewak Osho Education Institute is a 29 years experienced institute in Dubai. We are serving the country UAE from past 3 decades, and we are doing technical management and many kind of training programs. And it's a Dubai government approved organization and Dubai government controlled organization. So all the participants who are studying with us will get Dubai government certifications. Okay, so this is the speciality of this institute. So coming back to our topic, today we are going to discuss about the advanced electrical training program. Okay, let's go straightly to the section. We don't want to waste the time. We'll go straightly to the section. I believe you guys have finished your graduation or diploma in electronics and electrical. So what are the main job opportunities you can find your core job? So in this, throughout the course module, I just want to explain about the core engineering kind of job opportunities. There are a lot of job opportunities which you can do after your engineering degree. So I only focus on the core thing, or the thing which you have already studied in the university or the college, whatever. So one of the prominent industry is construction and infrastructure. The construction industry. It's commonly called as MEP, the construction activity, mechanical, electrical, plumbing kind of work. This is one of the prominent industry. The second thing, the utility industries. Utility here, utility in the sense, what I mean is anything which serve our purpose, which we call it as a utility. It can be water authority, it can be electricity company, any company. Okay, so in utility, especially in our session, utility means the electricity company. So in electricity company, there will be power generation, transmission, and distribution. Okay, so this is one of the industry where you can find your core job. The third one is oil and gas industry. Oil and gas industry. So in oil and gas, we have oil wells, rigs, refineries, and pipelines. So many architectures behind that one. So even if you go to any kind of industry, you may find electrical circuits over there. Without electricity is nothing. All the network, all the infrastructure is nothing without electricity. So electricity play a vital role. So even if you go to the construction, utilities, oil and gas, anywhere you go, you will find the electrical systems. Okay, you know what is the third segment which I want to explain is the hospitality industry, hotels, resorts, and those kind of architectures where also there will be electrical circuits. If you go to hotels or high-rise buildings or those kind of architectures, you will find electrical circuits like ELV circuits, LV, MV kind of circuits. So one industry is hospitality industry. The other one which I want to point out is the manufacturing unit. The manufacturing companies. There are a lot of manufacturing companies which they use many machineries. So all the machinery they need electricity in one way or in another way. They need electricity. So electricity is as I said, electricity is a vital component in all kind of industry. So manufacturing industry, where you talk about airport, a lot of electrical instrumentation communication systems are involved in the airport. So there are companies, they are dedicated to do only work in airport. So when we construct an airport, there are specialist contractors. They really do only airport projects. So we call them for the airport project because there are specialist electrical systems for airport. The other option is medical services. Medical services means hospitals. If you go to some hospitals, you will find many biomedical equipments, scanning room, operation theater, that those kind of location need redundant power supplies, and light. Okay, though you need to manage the lighting systems, the audio visual systems, the ELV systems, and the redundant power supply, uninterruptible power supply. You need that one. So maybe you need to give inverters. So hospital is a critical place, so the hospital can't be work without electricity. So we need to make sure that electricity is available all the time. So medical services is one of the job profile. And the transportation field, lot of electrical vehicles are there in the market right now. Electrical vehicles, the petrol and diesel era is going to end in nearby. So that's why majority of the companies are concentrating on electricity vehicles. So now you are thinking, if the electricity vehicle come, where will be your job opportunities? There is job opportunities for you. So what really want the electricity vehicle to run? It need to be charged, right? It need to be charged. So electricity vehicle, if I have an electricity vehicle with me, I need to charge the electricity vehicle before I use that one. So you can install charger unit in your home, or you have to depend on any utility company. Let's say Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. They provide charging point for electricity vehicles. So what happened in the charging unit? The AC circuit will come, it will be rectified in the format of DC, and it will be fed to the car while it is connected. It will be connected to the. So electricity vehicles are one of the prominent field, or transportation field is one of the prominent where electrical engineers can find their job. Could you please mute yourself, because it is making disturbance to the class? If you have any questions, you can unmute and ask. Thank you. So another segment is IT networking. It is not the core domain, but a lot of electrical engineers are working in this domain. IT networking, computer networking, instrumentation, those kind of areas, many electrical engineers are working. And automobile industry, same like which I have tell you, the manufacturing companies, there are electrical machineries, electrical circuits, MGBs, capacitor banks. So many electrical circuits are there in the industries. So majority of these industries having high voltage, low voltage, or the medium voltage. Majority of this industry having transformers, RMU, capacitor bank, cables. So my point is, if you study an industry very well, let's say a utility industry or an oil and gas industry very well, you can work in another industry. This is the beauty. This is the beauty. If you work in an oil and gas company, okay, you are working to develop or build oil wells. You may need to give supply in the form of transformers. You may need to install transformers, RMUs. You may need to lay cables. This is the same practice which we used in the hospitality industry. Airport also required those kind of electrical circuits. Transportation companies also need those kind of circuits. Maybe they need medium voltage. Okay, so majority of the industries or the electrical infrastructures in the industries are almost same. So if you study one very well, you can work on any industries without any fear. Okay, let's say all these industries, majority except IT and networking, that is something different. This is something different, but except all these industries, you can start working if you study one industry very well. So in the training program, which we discuss about two categories. One is the utility network. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Just a second. So in our advanced electrical training program, we have two modules, not only two technical modules. Before that, let me explain about the training, how the training program will be. In the training program will be an online or an offline section. The training program will be delivered from Dubai. So those who are available in Dubai, they can study offline. And those who are not available in Dubai, they can study online. There will be theory sections. There will be some practical knowledge in the sense you will be getting project documents from live companies or live projects which is happening around the globe. You'll be getting the project document from Saudi, Dubai, India, and many other countries. And you will be taught international standards. What are the international standards related to electrical installation or electrical design and relevant softwares? Okay, if it is, if they want to site training in UAE, we will provide the site training and license and membership, because majority of you guys having either diploma or degree certificate with you. You can take many license and membership programs like inspectorate or Dubai government certificate or Dubai municipality certificate. So we will help you to take those certificates. That will give you an added advantage while you are searching for the job. And moreover, once you completed your training program, you will be provided with a Dubai government certificate. So after that, how do you are going to search your job? All of you guys having a CV with you, a professional, as a normal CV with you. So what we will do, we will prepare a professional CV for you. A professional CV will be something look like what really the employer need. You want to apply for a job, okay? You know some company having a job. You want to apply for that job, but you don't know what are the things you need to be added in your CV to get selected in this company. So we will prepare you in a way that how you can prepare for each kind of interviews. Let's say you have an interview in a utility company, you need to prepare the CV in a certain method. If you have an interview in an oil and gas company, you need to prepare in that way. You need to add safety trainings. You need to mention about work permit system. You need to mention about safety, first aid trainings, fire and safety trainings. You need to mention those kind of things in your CVs. Then only you will get selected. That's why if your professional CV is not made, that's why you are getting rejected from the companies. Maybe you are sending mails to so many companies for getting jobs. Why you are selected, why you are not selected? Maybe it is because of the relevant keywords. You know how the HRs are screening the CVs. If I am the HR, I have a job opportunity for electrical site engineer. Okay, I advertise in the newspaper, some online platforms. I will get 500 to 1000 CVs. uh, do you think I will open and check all the CVs? No. How HRs are screening the CVs? I will search with the keywords which I have already set. Okay. For a site engineer, I may ask about site coordination, employee management, or AutoCAD, those kind of skills. So I will check with that skills or the keywords. I tell that one as keywords. So what really happened? If you didn't add those keywords in your CV, you will not shortlisted. Okay, you may be having 10 years of experience, but you didn't add that relevant keywords in your CV. What really happened? Whenever somebody is searching, your CV will not be highlighted in front. Your CV will not be highlighted in front. So this is the point. So need to have a professional CV before approaching for any jobs. So this is how our training will go. Let's see what are the components in the training program. So in the first module, we talk about electrical construction, especially utility based projects. Utility based project means There are utility companies like KCB, Power Grid Corporation, Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, AD, Abu Dhabi Distribution Company, Saudi Electric Company, Kahrama, so many companies. They have designated contractors. They have designated contractors to do these kind of installation or these kind of work. 11 kV substation installation, RMU installation, power transformers, LV panels, 11 kV to 33 kV cable laying, 11 kV to 132 kV cable laying, to install cables, excavation, high voltage, joining, those kind of things. You know where your job opportunity, you know why we choose this section as the first module. Majority of the guys are concentrating in the construction industry. In the construction industry, there the competition is very high. The MEP, if I advertise for an MEP electrical engineer, I will get hundreds of CVs, hundreds of CVs. I may get 500 or 600 CVs in 3 hour time. But if I advertise for an electrical engineer who has experience on this utility based project or the substation based project, I may get maybe 20 CVs. So imagine or just calculate the probability of getting job from 600 people is better, or probability of getting job from 20 people is better. Obviously, whenever the competition is increased, the probability of getting job will be reduced. So we just want you guys to struggle or work on an industry where not so many guys, and you are the only guys, I mean only limited people will be there in that industry. Okay, and you will get a job easily. And moreover, these kind of companies, when they are hiring, they will look for a guy who has experience or they have skill on these kind of installation. Let's say 11 kV substation installation, in RMU installation, power transformers, LV panels. So these kind of installation and its procedures will be instructed in the first module. In the second module, we discussed about utility networks, especially the smart grid network. Smart grid, you may hear about smart grid. I don't think so there is another training program which will be there to study smart grid. Lot of job opportunities are available in smart grid. So what are the smart grid job opportunities? You may hear about advanced metering or smart metering. Lot of smart metering companies are working around the globe. Okay, even in India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh, or in Gulf countries, lot of smart grid related jobs is going on. It's a time of smart grid. So what do you mean by smart grid? What do you mean by grid? Grid is the circuit or the network where power is transmitting from one location to another. Smart grid means a grid which is working with the help of IT or communication. So smart grid, we will discuss about in the second module. We will discuss about smart grid activities like advanced metering, distribution automation, home automation, and we will discuss about substation automation, and moreover we'll discuss about introduct SCADA systems, PLCs, energy efficiency network, and Internet of Things. You guys, maybe you are so good in electrical network, but you need to study a basics of Internet of Things. Every student, every engineering student need to study Internet of Things. How? What do you mean by Internet of Things? Not in the big level, in the basic level, at least need to understand what do you mean by internet, how it is working, and about utility communication, utility based communication network. Okay, so these are the items we are discussing in the second module, and we have a third module. In the third module, we'll discuss about QAQC. You may see these kind of job opportunities in the newspapers while you are reading. Electrical QAQC, instrumentation QA/QC. So did you try to apply for those jobs? You can apply for. There is no certain qualification for QA/QC. Any engineer can become a QA/QC, but you need to know about the QA/QC procedures. There are some procedure for the QA/QC. If you want to become a QA/QC, you need to know those procedures. That will be taught in the QA/QC section, and there will be project management. How you are going to deal a project. What are the main agendas related to a project management? If you are working in a company, what will be the scope of project management? What do you mean by organizational chart? What do you mean by construction schedules? How you are preparing the reports? How can you control a team? Those kind of steps will be taken in the project management section. And we have safety, electrical safety at construction site. What are the safety measures we need to take? What are the safety measures we need to take before work and after work? That will be discussed in the safety, electrical safety at construction site or any site. Then computer skills. I know you guys are engineers. You guys are diploma and degree holders. You are so good in your technical terms. But we need to make sure that you have basic computer skills. So how many of you guys are familiarized with using Excel, Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is one of the top tool for electric engineers, not only electrical engineers, all engineers. So you need to know basic computer skills. We want to make sure that you have basic computer skills after this training program. Whether you want to make an estimation, you want to make a quotation, you want to make a tender preparation, you need to know about Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. That will be taken in the computer skills training. And then all about the supervisory licenses, which I have already mentioned. Supervisory licenses from many companies. Many companies, they give supervisory license. For that, you need to attend a test and you need to undergo some interview process. So once you completing this training program, you will be fit to apply for those kind of supervisory licenses from many organizations, and you will be confident enough to go for the interview. So the class language, most of the time it will be English. If the students, if you have a bunch of students, they are only from some regional places, we will be taken in regional languages. Okay, so this is all about the training program. And the fourth module will discuss about professional CV writing, how to prepare your professional CV, how to prepare for the interview, how to prepare for your face-to-face telephonic and Skype interview. We will broadcast your CV, and the professional certification will be provided. This is how the training and the career guidance program will goes on. And we're working in the industry since 2015, and we have trained more than 2000 students since 5 years, and majority of them are working in many Gulf countries and other places. Okay, so this is how the practices are going on. We'll train them, we'll make their CV very well, we will guide them to apply for the interview, will guide them until, even if you once you completed the training program, you get a job, you want to make a career change, we will advise. It will be a lifetime relationship with the candidates who are enrolling with us. So I just want to tell you some of the international standards we are following. So these are the some of the standards which we follow. The international standards: ANSI, Dubai, Abu Dhabi Distribution Company standards, Dubai Electricity and Water Authority standards, NFPA standards, Kahrama, Dubai Municipality, Civil Defense, Etisalat. These are the standards which we follow. And the softwares which we may use are AutoCAD, Revit, Relax, Microsoft, PlanShift, Primavera, and ETAP. So this will be used while we really require those one. Okay. Then I just want to show you some of the industries where you can find the job. oil and gas industry is the best option. You can see in the newspapers a lot of opportunities available for the electrical engineers in oil and gas. Before going applying for those job profile, you need to make your professional CV in a way that you will be selected for the oil and gas job. So we know how to prepare those CV which will be selected in the oil and gas. Then about utilities. In utility, we have power generation, transmission, distribution, and nowadays we have renewable energy sources also. Solar energy will be there. It has to be integrated with the grid, and we have advanced metering, distribution automation. So many kind of things will be available in the training programs. So as I told you, airport is an option to find electrical engineers. So in all industries, the main circuits or the main thing will remain same, but only the small portions will be changing. Okay, so that we will get how to tackle those interviews. So building, if you go to some building, you will find building automation, smart homes, smart grid networks, metering, solar network will be there. In hospitals, there are especially the communication plus electrical infrastructure will be there in the hospital industries, and transportation industries is an option for you to find your core job. IoT, Internet of Things, can be applied in all the field. I again suggest all of you need to study the basics of IoT. How IoT is working. What do you mean by IoT? What are the concept of IoT? You need to study that one. Okay, so this is all about the training program, and we have branch in Dubai, Trivandrum, and Cochin. If you have any queries, please ask now. Let's have a question answer section. Okay, if you have any questions, please ask now. Anybody having questions regarding the training, certifications, work profile?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
The Capital Professional Institute are open in Kochi branch.
See, this training is not available in Kochi branch, unfortunately, because the trainers are especially from Dubai. So we provide online classroom for those who want to study from Kochi. Only those who are available in Dubai, they can study offline.
These courses are available in online.
Yeah, it is available in online.
Yes. Sir, laptop.
Sorry.
Laptop available to होना.
See, actually, we take classes in this. You can study it from mobile phone, and the recorded section of the classes will be provided after each class. Okay, let's say if you are missing the class for today, you couldn't attend, the recorded session will be given to you. So you can watch those recorded section either in your mobile phone or your laptop. It's up to you. It's better, we suggest to use a laptop. Even if we have a mobile phone, it is fine, no problem.
But sir, design and calculations design will be provided laptop.
Yeah, that really actually that really don't required. I mean, in this course there is not so much design is incorporated, especially the installation procedures, the substation installation procedures, transformer installation procedures. Those kind of things will be discussing. Especially the design part is not much included in this section, but it
sir,
is.
you can speak in.
Yes.
सर मैं पूछ रहा हूँ जैसे अभी लैपटॉप अवेलेबल नहीं तो ये मोबाइल से काम चलेगा?
You can do it. You can do it through mobile as well. No problem.
तो सर मोबाइल से तो आप थ्योरी पढ़ा सकते हो पर बट प्रैक्टिकल भी तो इसमें होना है.
See, online training programs have a limitation for the practical sections. So what are the practices which you will be getting from these training programs is we will provide you documents from the companies, the live project companies from DIVA, ADDC, Saudi Electric companies. We will provide you documents. So you need to verify that documents. You need to make estimation for the, you need to make estimation. So those kind of practical things need to be done. And you need to prepare documents like tender, estimation, method statement, those kind of things.
Okay, तो मतलब those just like estimations, QA, QC, maintenance.
Yeah. Yeah, so see, in all the online classroom, there will be some limitation for the practical section. So these are the practical sections which we do. And in the communication section, see, I already explained you'll be having a communication section. In the communication section, there will be some softwares. I ask you guys to install in your PC, and you can work on that one in the communication. So we study a little bit about communication as well, networking as well, because I need you to study IoT especially. Okay. So if you want to study IoT, you need to study about networking. Those time you have some practice sections as well. But don't worry, if you study this training program, especially in the first module itself, it has a potential to give you a job in a company from Gulf, because lot of companies in Gulf, they are hiring people for utility projects only. Okay. So
Okay,
they
sir.
are working for ADDC, DIVA and all. Okay.
ये मोबाइल से भी ये कोर्स कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Yes, there is no problem while doing it from mobile.
What is the fee structure?
The fee structure will be explained by the office. Could you please share you guys number in the chat box? We will contact you with relevant details. And the course fees will be 1,600 AED plus VAT, and you will be getting a Dubai government certificate that can be taken to any Gulf countries without any attestation. So if you want to take your degree certificate to any Gulf countries, you need to get it attested from the respective Ministry of Foreign Affairs. But you don't want to take that attestation for our certification. It's a Dubai government certificate.
After complete, you can placement, give placement.
So in the placement matter, what we really do, we will prepare your professional CV. We have a large number of database available for the HR. We will ask you guys to send emails to those companies. This is the first method which we do, contacting those companies, those who have requirement for the electrical engineers like you. Okay, this is the first method. And second method, we have some clients and we have some friends. We give you guys CV directly to them. They will contact you. If you are fit in the interview, they will hire you. The salary things, everything you can discuss with those companies. Maybe
you can place you can place India and abroad both.
Yeah. Especially we are focusing on Gulf placement.
Okay, but you can place in India.
Yeah, of course. India is not a big task. In India, we can do the placement.
So both India and abroad.
Yeah. We usually focus to get job in abroad itself. Okay, because that abroad job only will give you more salaries and also we focus on the abroad jobs. But India also there are specialist companies. They really do project for utility companies like Power Grid, KCB and other companies.
Course duration time, sir?
The course duration will be 40 to 50 hours. 40 to 50 hours. That will be covered in 2 to 2.5 month time. Every week you'll be having 3 classes. Each classes will be 1 hour, 1.5 hour to 2 hour. And the recorded session will be provided to you by email or WhatsApp. And if you want to see,
if you want to see the
Yes, yes.
कन्वर्ट करेंगे मंथ में तो कितना मंथ में कंप्लीट होगा?
It will finish in 2.5 months time.
तो मतलब 2 से 2.5 मंथ.
2.5 months. I will show you the certificate which you are getting after the training program. Just a second.
Sir, after complete your certificate provided in WhatsApp या फिर courier?
So so usually we provide e-certificate. Can you see the certificate, guys? Can you see the certificate now? Can you able to see?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a format of certificate. So you can see a QR code in the right side here. So if you scan the QR code, let's see this one. Okay, this QR code, if you scan the QR code, this QR code will redirect you to a Dubai government website, and which will tell, okay, this certificate is
Sir,
authentic.
this certificate is usually both all over world.
Yeah, it is an international certificate, Imran. It's an international certificate.
Okay.
So I just want to you guys to I just want to explain how you can check the authenticity of the certificate. If you scan this QR code, that will redirect you to Dubai government website. And in the Dubai government website, you can see that this certificate is awarded to Mr. Sanil Joseph, and who has done advanced electrical system design training in Ruwaq Osho Institute, and 40 hours of training he has done. And this certificate is authentic, and which date to which date he has done the training program. So this is the recent certificate. Last month we have some batches. So this is a certificate which he received. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is a yeah.
सर मैं किससे कांटेक्ट करूंगा? आई एम कांटेक्ट फॉर यू किससे?
So just share your mobile number. Just share your mobile number here and the email address. We will contact you to take the admissions. Okay.
सर मैं जी सर.
Okay. Then one more thing.
मेरे पास नंबर है.
Yeah, you can
Facebook से.
Yeah, you can WhatsApp that number also, no problem. You can share your details to that number. You want to enroll for we have a batch starting on 1st of May. Okay. And see, somebody is asking about the experience certificate. See, actually this is we are a training company. We only provide the training, but if you want to get some experience certificate, we can take you to some companies. We have some associates. If you go for some internship programs with them, if you work for them for some periods, we can request them to share you the experience certificates. It's not a big task. That we can talk in private. Okay. So this is that okay? Yeah.
The last question. I'm electrical and electronics engineer.
Okay, fine.
There is no problem for placement.
No problem. See, electrical engineering is a premier branch in all engineering field. Okay, so electrical engineers can work as a communication engineer, network engineer, instrumentation engineer, utility engineer, site engineer, project engineer, electrical designer. So many job opportunities for electrical engineers. Okay,
for both sectors.
See, before in olden days there were not so many electrical branches. There are 3 classical branches. Which are the classical branches? It was electrical, civil, and mechanical. So you know why they are called as classical branches? From these classical branches, you can redirect to any other branch. So the electronics and communication, or the instrumentation, or the computer science, everything came from this branch. This is the parent branch. Okay. So anybody else having questions, please ask. Anybody having questions regarding the job and the salary?
जितना भी material से सब मोबाइल में भेज दीजिएगा.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry to share that details. So all the course materials will be shared with you. You will be getting PDF. You will be getting PDF copies of the notes and the certificates. Everything will be sent to you by email. You don't want to write
और
anything
जैसा
as notes. Yes.
और ये फी कितना बोले इंडियन रुपीस?
Indian rupees, it will come 32,000.
32.
32,000 Indian rupees. That you can pay in 3 installments.
ओके, बहुत इंस्टॉलमेंट डे, फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट डे?
First installment you can pay the first installment before starting the class, and after 1 month around finish you can pay your second installment. After second month finish you can pay your third installment.
ओके, तो यही नंबर में मतलब कॉल करना है रेवा?
Yeah, you can contact on the that number. I mean the same number which you received WhatsApp message, you can contact on that number. You can tell that when you want to register and when you want to do the fees payment. So fees payment, you have 2 options. Either you can send it to Indian branch, or you can send it to Dubai branch. Okay, that will be discussed.
ओके सर, तो मतलब अगर सर जैसे कोची ब्रांच से भी अगर हम डिस्कस करेंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना?
No problem, but the course is directly deal from Dubai branch only.
ओके ओके, वो सर हम समझ में आ गया, मतलब जैसे अगर कोची ब्रांच से भी अगर बात होगा सर से कोई दिक्कत नहीं ना?
No problem, no problem. You can discuss with Kochi branch as well. No problem.
चलिए ठीक,
Okay.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
Any more questions? Yeah, sure. See, the placement. Somebody is asking about the placement. See, the first thing I just want to share with you guys is, don't think much about the placement. First of all, you guys need to study the training very well, attend all the programs and do the projects very well. See, the placement is a secondary thing. For the placement, you guys need to work on, and we also want to put our effort. If we only work on for the training for the placement, it is not going to work. You guys also need to be worked on. The placement is not a thing.
Yeah, you can provide training, you can provide experience certificate.
See, this is what I'm telling. The experience certificate is another matter. So actually we have a company, they are doing electrical works. We need to check with them and we will come back to you if they can enroll you as an Indian or not. That we will share you in private.
जी जी सर. अच्छा सर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है.
we will be getting job in Dubai or something.
Hello.
It is depending upon the time, or the depending upon the interview which you are getting. Sometimes you will get. Yeah, sometimes you, just a second, Imran, let me finish this question. See, we target job in all countries. So all these countries, we have utility companies. These high voltage companies are there in all countries. In UAE, there is companies. Saudi, there is companies. Qatar, there is a lot of companies. Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait. So we will target everywhere. We don't spare any country. We don't spare any companies. We'll target everywhere. The first thing is to find your first job. Okay. Okay.
Sir, many company. Sir, many company are required a Gulf experience, Indian experience.
That's
5 years, 6 years.
I will tell you. I'll tell you. You know how companies are hiring. When the companies are hiring, if they want an electrical engineer, those who have experience in the power domain or the utility domain, they have 3 to 5 years experience. They need to pay around 8,000 to 10,000 dirhams minimum. If they need an experienced guy. Where is the position where we are targeting? So we will train you to make you in a position that you have enough experience to work in the field. So we will claim for small salaries like 3,000 dirhams or 2,500 dirhams as a starting. Then
as a first job.
Yeah, as a first job. When the companies will look for power utility experienced guys, when we are making your CV, okay, we don't say that you are a fresher. If you are from India, we will show some experience in the power domain in India, and when the company is looking in your CV, they can find that, okay, this guy is an experienced guy, but this guy only demanding 3,000 dirhams as salary. Okay, let's go with this guy. This is how we are going to tackle the jobs for the highly experienced job. Yeah, not majority companies, not all the companies will do this practice. Some of the companies, they only hire professional people or the experienced people, but there are some companies, some small companies or some subcontractor companies, they will hire the fresher, or not the fresher guys, the guys who have the skills and idea, they will hire. That we know how to train you and present you in front of them, and we know those companies as well. Okay.
Sir, this course completed, you can get any sector job.
Yeah, of course. You see the certificate, what it is written. It's an advanced electrical training program.
Okay.
So you can show this whenever you are trying for a Gulf job, along with your degree certificate. You can show to the employer that I have done a training from Dubai government. This is a certificate which I received, and you can check the authenticity of the certificate. When somebody is checking with their QR code, they will easily authenticate. Even your degree certificate can be authenticated. Do it. Can your degree certificate can be authenticated online?
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, you told that there is not much about the design part. Then how should we crack in that the license?
It will be covered in the training program. Design part also will be covered. The selection of transformers, the selection of cables, and how we design each network, it will be covered.
Sir, the earthing part is there?
Everything related to power utility network, everything will be covered.
Okay, then the lightning installation.
Lightning, earthing, selection of cables, selection of transformers, selection of generators, selection of RMUs, everything will be, that's our responsibility.
So there is so many calculations are there to find that
everything will be
Sir, license provided your institute?
License, there are license program from different entities. There are licensing from Dubai Electricity Company, DEWA. There are licensing from KSCB, Kerala State Electricity Board. So many companies, they give license. So each company, they have their own practices. So in fact, the practices will be same or similar. They only look for the technical knowledge, how good you are in your work. They will look for your experience, your knowledge in the subject. They may be conducting an examination for those licensing. Once you are qualified, they will issue a certificate or the license.
Sir, consider a man who have 2 years experience in that Gulf experience in working as an electrical supervisor. Then is it more possible to get a job in abroad?
If he has an experience, why not? See, in Gulf, actually the experience matters. Experience and your skill matters. Even if you have a degree from NIT or IIT, it is not going to work here. Here, the experience and the skills matters. If you have the experience or if you have the skills, you will get the job. If a guy who has 2 years experience, what is the harm in getting job for him? He will get definitely. Not it should not be the experience certificate or the paper certificate. He really need to work.
Sir, there is any classes for improving our English or our communication?
Definitely. See, not only for the English. See, let me tell you guys, English is not a big concern. The concern is your matter expert. How good you are in your subject. How can you present yourself? English will be the secondary thing. If I am taking an interview, if I am taking an interview, I don't keenly watch how good he is in English. English will be improved, or the Hindi will be improved, or you can study Arabic even. It's a secondary thing. The first thing I'll see, does this guy have enough knowledge to do my work? First thing. Second, do his attitude is good or not? Do he has a good attitude to the work? Is he sincere? Those kind of things will be practiced. The language proficiency will be the third part, because you are not going to sell any product. You're not going to sell your any products, or you're not going to present anything. That then only your language is the become the primary thing. If you want to work as an engineer or a supervisor, your technical skill and your attitude towards the work matters. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any
What's your
more
name,
questions?
sir?
Sorry,
What's your name, sir?
my name is Ajmal.
Okay.
I am the staff of the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, and I take classes for smart grid sections.
Okay.
And there will be another instructor also. He'll be taking the power part, and I am taking the project management sections, and the second module and third module and fourth module will be taken by myself, and the first module, the power, your core portion will be taken by another instructor. He is
Sir-
also Dubai Electricity staff.
जी लैपटॉप इशू नहीं है, मोबाइल चलेगा.
No problem. You can do it from your mobile as well. But we recommend to have your mobile phone. Oh, sorry, laptop. It's better if you have the laptop.
So I have done not laptop.
No problem. You can do it in your mobile as well. We will give you the recorded sessions. If you want to see the recorded session in your friends or relatives' laptop, you can do it, and you can watch it anytime.
Sir, after completing our class, you help to make our CV, or you make for us for
No, there will be classes. There will be classes for CV preparation. Okay. So I will take a CV preparation class, and I'll bring a CV, a professional CV, and I will compare the professional CV with one of your guys' CV, and I will teach you what are the errors in your CV and how the professional CV is looking like. Okay. Then I will give you the relevant advice how to make it, and I will give you a soft copy of the CV, how to prepare your CV. A sample copy will be given to you.
Okay.
So you can prepare your CV by yourself. Don't worry about it. It's a half an hour job. Once I give the training, it will be a half an hour job. You just need to delete some of the portion, add some portions. That's it. There are some portions need to be deleted from your CV. There are some portions need to be added in your CV. That's it. That will be a half an hour job, and we will teach you how to apply for the jobs. What will be the size of your CV, starting from the size of your CV until how you can apply for different portals. We will give you training.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any more questions? Any more questions? The certificate, the experience certificate related materials, all we will discuss in private. You can WhatsApp to the number. Okay, there is a WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp to the number. We'll talk in private about the experience certificate and the internship programs matters. Any more questions, guys? Could you please write your email address and mobile number in the chat box? Those who didn't do. Sudesh, Sujit, could you please do that? Any more question from Sujit, Sudesh, and Ajnas and Armugan? If you have any questions, please ask before we are leaving. Any questions? Okay, fine. So if there is no questions, we will stop the orientation sections now. Okay. If you have any more doubt, you can come back to us through our WhatsApp channel, Okay, and we will be starting the next batch starting from 1st May onwards. Okay, in each week there will be 3 classes. Most of the classes will be in the evening time, which will be flexible. We will only accommodate five students in the class. Only 5 students per batch. Okay, so you can book your you can book your seats before that. If the CV, I mean, if the class, if the students all from regional place like Kerala or Tamil Nadu, all the students are, so we'll do in the regional language. Otherwise, if we have a mixed student, we will do in English only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we hope nobody having questions, and thank you very much from Ruwa Kosha Institute, and have a wonderful day.
Okay,
Thank you guys. Bye.